What's up guys, it's Julia and welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute since I've uploaded. I think the last time I uploaded was 7 months ago during quarantine, which is pretty insane. But I'm really excited for this video because I'm partnering with Skims to share with you guys some pieces that I got from the Fits Everybody collection that's actually restocking tomorrow, Wednesday, November 18th on skims.com. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the pieces that I got, trying them on and kind of giving you my review and how I would style them. I have another Skims video up on my channel of an unboxing and try on that I will link in the cards above. But that video is from last year, and since then I've been trying to get my hands on more Skims, but it's kind of been really impossible because everything sells out so fast. So that's why I highly recommend signing up for the wait list on their website, because you'll be notified as soon as it gets restocked. That's how I actually got my hands on these face masks during quarantine. I got an email for them and then I was able to snatch these ones. I actually really love these face masks. They're so neutral and they literally go with every outfit. I really like to coordinate my outfits with these masks because it's just really cute when you can just put it all together in a look. One thing I want to point out before we get into the items is their packaging. I believe this is new because I've never seen this before, but this is actually not a plastic bag. It is biodegradable, and I am an advocate for sustainability and I like to be as sustainable as I can, so I really appreciate the packaging and thoughtfulness in these items. Okay, so let's start off with the bra tops that I got. This first one is the scoop neck bra in the color ochre. It's in like a very light nude color. This material, can I just tell you, is so soft. Like, it literally is so buttery, and it's super stretchy too. Like, as you can see here, it stretches like a lot. I wish you guys could feel this through the camera because it is so soft. One thing that I really like about Skims is their color palettes. Like, everything is super neutral and the tones are just really nice. I personally love to wear like a lot of neutral colors, so these items are perfect for me. And I actually like to style like different bra tops as actual tops, so like this one is like really versatile. I could wear this as an undergarment but also just like as a regular crop top. I could do the same with the BANDEAU top too. So this one is the BANDEAU in the color ONYX, and it's just like a true black. I actually have this top in this brown colorway that I got last year, and I love wearing it as like a regular tube top, so this one is going to be really cute to add in my wardrobe. Again, this is super stretchy, and I do want to mention that the tags are printed directly onto the fabric, so everything is super seamless and smooth. So the last bra top that I got is this triangle bralette, also in the color ONYX. I have not tried out this shape yet from Skims. I actually usually wear like a strapless bra every day, but I've been looking for something that's more comfortable for everyday wear, and I feel like this is going to be perfect. Moving on to bottoms, I did get two different panties. This one is the dipped front thong in the color ochre. And as you can see here, super stretchy again, both seamless. And then this one is a cheeky brief in ONYX. I pretty much only wear seamless underwear because I hate panty lines, and I usually only get it in like a tan or a black, so this is perfect to add to my collection. But I particularly love these ones just because they're so soft and stretchy. Like, these are gonna be so comfortable. And as I get older, I'm gravitating more towards like this style, the cheeky style, just because it's so much more comfortable. But of course, in some outfits you have to wear thongs. This one I will definitely be wearing a lot. I actually really love these ones. I think I'm going to have to stock up. I usually get my seamless underwear elsewhere, but I think I'm gonna switch to Skims just because they're so soft and so stretchy. There's actually a T-style thong that I want to try out too. That one will give a more invisible look, so maybe I'll try to get my hands on that tomorrow on the restock. But moving on to the last piece, I'm so excited for this one. This is the square neck bodysuit in the color Sienna. I have been waiting for this piece to restock for months. I've literally been on the wait list for like a few months, I think, because I wanted this specific color and this cut. And also it fits really well. I actually tried this on as soon as it arrived because I just couldn't wait and I wanted to see actually how it fit. And I personally have a longer torso and a smaller chest, so bodysuits really don't fit me well. and let me tell you, this one actually fits me really, really well. I'm so surprised. So it has a square neck and a scoop back, and it is a thong bodysuit, and it has like the buttons here too. I've been looking for a bodysuit that actually fits me so I can wear it as a top with jeans. I really like that seamless look, and I love that it's a square neck. I am really insecure about like the armpit fat area here. So this cut is perfect because it literally just like covers it with the strap. And since I do have a smaller chest, I usually wear like a strapless bra to kind of just like give my body more shape. And I tried this on with a strapless bra and it looks so good. I'm able to pull like my bra strap down so that it doesn't show with the open back. But this bodysuit is seriously so comfortable. It's super, super stretchy. Again, everything here is so stretchy and really, really soft. So in tomorrow's restock, I am definitely gonna try to get more of this bodysuit in different colors. They also have a cami strap one and a high neck one that I wanna get my hands on too. I feel like when you find something that fits you really well, you have to like stock up, especially for me for bodysuits. Like I literally can't find anything that fits me because usually bodysuits are like too short for my torso, so it like rides up, and then if I wear like jeans or something, like it'll show on the side, which I don't really want. But I think because of this fabric, because it does stick to you and because it is stretchy, that this fits like my body type. So for all of these pieces, an exception of the underwear and the triangle bralette, I would actually wear all of these undergarments as actual tops. So for this bodysuit, I would style it with some jeans and probably like a button down open top. It is still pretty warm here in California, so I could still get away with wearing this top right now outdoors, but if I want to be a little bit more covered, then I'll obviously wear something on top. The same goes with the scoop neck bra. I would definitely wear this with something high-waisted, and if I feel a little bit more exposed, again, I will cover up with some type of top or sweater. And then for the bandeau, I would just wear it as a regular tube top. I'd probably style it with some sweatpants because I am at home most of the time and I just want to be comfortable. Alright guys, that is it for this haul. I absolutely love every single piece that I got. I feel like this brand is so in my element just because of all of the color tones and the minimalism. It just like fits my vibe. So again, items from the Fits Everybody collection is restocking tomorrow, Wednesday the 18th, in all of the core colors. So if you guys are interested in getting your hands on them, I definitely suggest signing up for the waitlist and buying right away when it releases. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I haven't made a YouTube video in so long, but I really enjoyed making this one for you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below or shoot me a DM at JuliaSa on Instagram. I'd be more than happy to answer any questions about fit and quality. I hope you guys are able to get your hands on these items tomorrow because I know it's definitely going to sell out again. I personally am going to try for sure because I want to get more of the bodysuits and more of the underwears, definitely. But anyways, I'm so grateful to have partnered with Skims on this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you can. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.